Come along while I explain the ins and outs of a soda gun installation. Our techs start out the day by loading and then unloading the equipment they need, such as the Wunder-bar soda guns and any tools or parts they may need for the day's installation. They begin by removing the covering on the beverage lines that they would later connect to the soda gun. This is a cold plate, which chills the drinks. Each colored line connects to a different beverage, which in turn connects and lines up with the buttons on the soda gun. They cut and screw in the lines to the soda gun while avoiding kinks. Now that everything is all set, we're now ready to go back and set up the back system. This part begins with setting up the racks. The boxes will go on. Once the rack is complete, the next step is to connect the individual pumps to the racks for each beverage. For this installation, the customers are getting 7 lines of beverages installed, so there are 7 pumps. Our technicians then start connecting the beverages and CO2 lines to each pump. The lines all have to flow a certain way and be free of any kinks, so this is a bit of a lengthy process. The remaining lines are then tied away for any future beverage additions. Then finally, the serve boxes are added to the rack and connected to each pump. Once the boxes are all connected, everything is all set and ready to go. Enjoy!